Students, this is Swati and I am going to teach you geography. Before we start the next lesson, let me remind you that when we learn geography, we need certain skills. What are those skills? Skills like observation, analysis, comparison, maps, graphs, analytical, differentiation. All these are the various skills required for learning geography. So today in this lesson, we'll learn about location and extent. I'll give you one clue before we start. The clue is second largest populated country in the world. Cricket is the main game over here. Spices are world famous over here. Which is this country? Yes, it is our India. My second clue to you is this country is famous for samba dance. It is also called as coffee pot of the world. Football is the popular game here. Which country is this? It is Brazil. So here today in this lesson we are going to have a comparative study about Brazil and India. Firstly, we will learn about our India through this media given over here. The name of the country is India. What is the capital of India? It is New Delhi. So let's learn about India in detail. India. It is the South Asia's largest sovereign democratic republic. You can easily identify India in the world map due to its central location in South Asia and its downward pointing triangular shape into the Indian Ocean. Now, if you see India, it covers an area of 3.2 million square kilometers. From the north to the south, it covers 3,200 kilometer, while from east to west it is 3,000 kilometer. India ranks 7th country in the world regarding its extension in the world map. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere between 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north and 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Now let's see about the borders of India. India is bordered on the north, northwest and east by countries like Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. The only country towards the south is Sri Lanka. Let's learn about Brazil. Through this media given over here, name of the country is Federative Republic of Brazil. Federative Republic of Brazil. The capital is Brasilia. Brazil lies in the northern part as well as most of its part lie in the southern hemisphere. It also lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. Now let's see about the extent of Brazil. Brazil lies between 5 degree 15 minutes north to 73 degree 33 degree 45 minutes south and 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minutes west longitude. Now let's learn about the neighbors of Brazil through this map given over here. In the north we have French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela. Towards the west we have Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay. Towards the south we have Argentina, Uruguay. Towards the east we have North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Let's learn about the historical background of India. Firstly, you all must be knowing India was under the British rule for 1.5 century. Such a long time. At last, in the year 1947, India got its independence. And after independence also, the state was very bad. There were many issues like 3 wars, famine situation, all this occurred after independence. After that also, today we are a developing country. We have a global market, and this is just because of the various economic reforms started by us. You all must be knowing, we Indians, in India, the proportion of working class, that is the human resource, is much higher. Let's learn about the historical background of Brazil. Brazil was the historical background of Brazil is as same as India's. Even Brazil was under the Portuguese rule for more than 3 centuries. They got their independence in 1822. After independence also, they were under the populist military government for more than a half century. At last in 20th century, they emerged as a global financial office. It created important market in future. Let's go through a small video to know about the main attractions in Brazil now.
Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. There is no destination on earth more animated and exciting than Rio de Janeiro. Located in southeastern Brazil, Rio de Janeiro is the most visited city of South America due to its famous mountains, landmarks, beaches and carnival festival. Rio de Janeiro is situated on one of the world's largest harbors surrounded by natural attractions that include the Sugarloaf and Corcovado mountains and famous beaches like Copacabana and Ipanema. The city's iconic landmark is the enormous Christ the Redeemer statue sitting atop Corcovado mountain. Number 2. Foz do Iguaçu. One of the world's most stunning natural wonders, Iguazu Falls is a series of magnificent waterfalls located on the Iguazu River, straddling the border between Brazil and Argentina. The falls in and of themselves are a breathtaking spectacle, but their beauty is all the more enhanced by the surrounding lush forest teeming in exotic wildlife. Number 3. Salvador. A historic old city, beautiful beaches, lively culture and one of the world's biggest carnival celebrations all fashion Salvador into one of the best places to visit in Brazil. One of the oldest cities in the Americas, Salvador is Brazil's third largest city and the capital of the Bahia state. Situated on the coast of the Bay of All Saints, Salvador offers fantastic beaches that are ideal for sunbathing, swimming and surfing. Some of the most popular include Porto de Barra, Flamengo, and Stella Maris. Number 4. Fortaleza. Nice beaches, dynamic shopping and lively culture all make Fortaleza one of Brazil's popular places to visit. The capital of the Ceará state on the country's northeastern coast, Fortaleza is Brazil's fifth largest city. The most popular beach is Praia do Futuro, but other favorites are Erasma, Mucuripe, and Miles. Not only are the beaches great for swimming, sunbathing and surfing, but they also offer hotels and restaurants. Fortaleza also serves as the jumping-off point for many visitors to truly spectacular beaches, rolling dunes and idyllic fishing villages up and down the Ceará coast. At Sao Paulo. Not only is Sao Paulo the largest city in Brazil, but it is also one of the largest in the world according to population. Located in southeastern Brazil, Sao Paulo is known for its skyscrapers, gastronomy and robust culture scene. It is home to many ethnic groups from all over the globe including the largest Japanese community outside of Japan. Although Sao Paulo is known for its concrete jungle, it also contains a large number of public parks and even portions of the Atlantic rainforest.
Now let's have a look at places in India. Thank you.